How to fix OneDrive sync error with FSLogix on VM. 1. Verify and update FSLogix version. To do so, run the following commands as admin: git property path hklm/software/FSLogix/apps. Install version $uninstall path equals hklm/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version /uninstall $app check equals git property path $uninstall path *where object $_display name eq Microsoft FSLogix apps $app check where object $_estimate size eq $app check measure object maximum estimate size maximum display version 2. Disable and re-enable FSLogix inc.msc. Path computer configuration administrative templates FSLogix profile containers. 3. Contact your system admin.